आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is, if fx is equal to sin inverse of sin x, gx is equal to cos inverse of cos x, and hx is equal to cot inverse of cot x, which of the following are correct? So we are having four options. So we'll be considering one by one each of the option, then take which of the following option is the correct option. So firstly, I'll be drawing the graph for sin inverse sin x, cos inverse cos x, and cot inverse cot x. So I'm drawing that. So here I've drawn the rough graphs along with the intervals I mentioned. So in sin inverse sin x, it is like this, and it is repeating after pi interval. It is repeating after 2 pi intervals, and the graph of cot inverse cot x is like this. Considering the first option, that is fx is equal to gx for x belongs to these three are equal for x belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 3. Now pi by 4 to pi by 3, it would lie somewhat here. There would be pi by 4 and it is pi by 3. So basically it is increasing. Now here I can see that it is pi by 4 and it is pi by 3. This is also increasing. It is like this. And also if I look at the hx, then it is somewhat here. That is pi by 2 to pi by 3. So basically these three are equal for x belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 3. So it means that option 1 is the correct option. Now let's have a look at the option number B. So it is between interval pi by 2 to pi. So pi by 2 to pi. This is decreasing. Pi by 2 to pi, this is decreasing. If I'll consider gx, then this is increasing. Now basically we have to find the function value of the function. So here it is decreasing, it is increasing, but it is mentioned that fx is less than gx. So basically this is only decreasing, but the value would not be less than gx. And similarly for hx. So it means that here I can write that fx is not less than gx between x belongs to pi by 2 to pi. So therefore option B is not correct. Now let's have a look at the option C. So 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, it is decreasing. So if I look at hx from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, so 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, it would somewhat here. So this is increasing. Here 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, this is decreasing, and this is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, this is decreasing. This decreasing is at larger extent than this. So therefore this sequence is correct. That is hx is greater than gx is greater than fx for x belongs to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. It means that option C is also the correct option. Now fx is greater than gx has no real solution. So fx is greater than gx. So fx is greater than gx in which interval? It is between 0 to pi. So if I can say there is no real solution, we can say this condition is true, that is fx is greater than gx. This is only in this interval, that is pi by 2 to pi. So here pi by 2 to pi, it is decreasing, and pi by 2 to pi, it is increasing. So there is no real solution with basically. Therefore option D is also correct option. I hope it is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।